wanted to show the rudders. They're fine, you know, but we have to lash them like that. They lock fairly securely onto the rudders themselves. The issue comes when it turns to one side and they can fall off, which isn't great. I suppose the trick is then to lash them. But I think if they weren't, you know, if this angle wasn't there, so in other words they were sitting more parallel with the ground, you know, more horizontal, then there wouldn't be a tendency for them to fall over, if you know what I mean. I don't know, you can probably see the angle a little bit better on that one there. Anyhow, that's from the Bristol Channel.